up, underdogs? It's me, your boy Eric, and Kayla, my girlfriend. We're going out on a trip today into Crow's Nest Pass. We're gonna do some trails, we're gonna camp, and we're gonna redeem ourselves from last year's kind of a fluke camping because it wasn't that great. We're gonna get some Starbucks first because we're hungry. We're hungry? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so Starbucks for breakfast. Not recommended by your pediatrician. Nutritionist. Pediatrician is for kids, right? Well, the first location of Starbucks that we went to is closed, which is weird. We're going to the second one, and we're already like an hour behind schedule. It's my fault for sure, but I ain't eating Tim Hortons for brekkie. Nope. The only Starbucks in McGrath that is like open and it's freaking full. Like closing up.
What can I get for you?
Hi. Sorry. I'm getting a venti iced brown sugar oat latte with 2 shots of espresso instead of 3, and then a Beyond Meat cheddar and egg sandwich. Do you guys have chicken caprese and a venti pink drink, please? Yeah, light ice.
Light ice?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so yummy. That looks so nice. Oh, it's not stirred at all.
It's not stirred, it's... Did you just...
Well, I need to shake it. Working?
I think so.
Do they have straws that I can use to stir it?
I'll ask for straws. Okay, Starbucks done. Now we gotta go to the trail because we're so damn late. So we're actually starting the off-road now, which is kind of exciting because I've always wanted to do this. God. Off-roading, baby!
Woo!
This is a road. I guess we could put the windows down. Okay. We're running on stock wheels, stock everything. The Crosstrek is stock. You can feel every single bump, and technically, I think we can't drive 30 kilometers an hour for this one. Why is this fun? Why is this kind of fun though?
This is what Mexico is like.
Is it?
Yes, and people just go fast because the faster you go, the less you can feel the bumps.
I'm not gonna do that. That's ridiculous. But maybe. Let's.
No.
This is nice. We're at Lil Ghost Town Trail in Crow's Nest Pass. It's in front of Frank Slide. Isn't that crazy that there was a town in here and then the mountain just caved in and then there's just a bunch of rocks now? Kind of eerie to think about it. You okay?
If we die.
What? We're not gonna die.
If we die, I'll kill you.
If we die.
Why do I feel like the tire's gonna fall off?
Don't fucking say that. Don't say that!
I'm scared.
No, I think we're fine. Actually, this is a bad idea. Is there vehicles behind us?
Nope. That's us.
Is that our engine?
Yep. She's fighting.
Is she?
Yeah.
So you can do this trail on foot and
That's a better idea.
yeah, you can do it, but we don't have hiking shoes. We have runners, babe, and it's all muddy and it's snowy. You can do this on foot for 4 hours. Or you can drive it. I don't even know if we're gonna go through the entire way. Apparently it has 365 meters of elevation. If you take it slow, I think it's fine.
Please keep your hands and feet in the road.
Oh, in the road. Keep
ride.
please keep your hands in. Oh dear. Hi. Oh, there's 2. Okay, I don't think that we should be stopping in the middle of an incline.
I don't think so. No. I would feel more comfortable if you were to use 2 hands.
All right, we're using 2 hands. seen 2 Bronco Sports already, and I'm really hyped. Why? Because I worked at Ford and I've seen Bronco Sports and I've always wanted one. Why? Headroom. Because there's so much headroom at the back. Look at that. Clear road again. Not kidding, I'm kidding. Jesus.
Oh, these are big.
That's what she said. If you get headache easily, this is not for you. Because there's a lot of wobbling happening. I need to invest on better tires. Maybe next year. Maybe. Right? Oh, there's a trail there. I think X is fine. Look at my girl. Turn around, turn around, turn around. What is that? Oh, yes. Merch. Oh, okay. You didn't have to do that. You didn't have to do that. Sorry. Sorry, guys. We stopped in the corner of somewhere. We don't know. This is a bad idea. You should never... I don't know anything about off-roading. We're going to take a few photos because it looks pretty damn nice. My lady?
Sir?
Sir? Ma'am?
I think we're good. I'm a little chilly.
I'm a little chilly too. Let's keep going.
One little boost to the surface later.
So we decided to not crawl this. I mean, we could have, but it looks slippery for my tires. And I don't want to do it. That wasn't even that far. We're already like out of shape. I want to keep going? Oh, damn, she's going. Let's go. Right. I mean, we are not dressed appropriately.
True.
Yeah. Okay. I don't think... Nope. I don't want to. So, what do you think, babe?
That was fun.
That was fun? I mean, we didn't really go way far. I know, it's a slope. I'm just using my brakes at this point. We just kind of like look it and then we're going to our campsite now. We're definitely tired from that. It's not even a half an hour hike. Oh my God. We're definitely going back here next time when I have a better rig, not a stock like right now. And I'll see you in the campsite. All right, we got into the camp. It took a while, actually, 30 minutes away from where we were. But now, to make it official, let's set up the Crosstrek for camping, I guess. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, now she knows what to do. I'm gonna put you down because you gotta set up the camp. right, so your boy here finally smartened up and bought a inflatable mattress. Let's see if it actually works. It's not gonna be stiff anymore like what we had last year. Holy smokes, this is so much better. I mean, this one has a hole. That's okay. But dang, we got a mattress underneath. So how many blankets in total? 1, 2, 3. 3 blankets in total. Not bad. I mean, there's another sleeping bag there, just in case that we get cold. I very doubt that we're gonna be warm. We're gonna make use of body warmth, right? So we did a little walk out to the lake, got some aerial footage, so that's nice. But now we are hungry, so we're gonna set up a separate fire pit because it's wet, it's cold, and we probably can't even start a fire in that one. So we're eating dry cereal because your homeboy forgot to bring milk. Who brings cereal on the camping trip? I mean, these ones are perfect for like yourself. You know that it's cold when you use the snow as your cooler. We are so pathetic that we couldn't start a fire. To be fair, we're not really outdoorsy type of people.
We're trying.
It took us like half an hour to start a fire. God. I mean, it's cold too, right? Weenie? That's some good weenie. I think you need to pull out that weenie now.
No. Put it on the sides now.
Do you want any drink? You got water or Pepsi? All right. All right, fridge. Here you go, ma'am. It's nice and cold.
Appreciate it.
Yes. This is not sponsored. For the boys and gals, gays and days.
The LGBT and the non-binary.
Yeah. Good for them.
Good for them.
Good for them. Dude, we never roasted weenies together. This is the first time, and I think this is a date.
Look at that. It's like perfectly done.
Yeah, mine wasn't like that. I was just too hungry to do it. I'm minimalistic, sure, I guess. I didn't really bring a lot of meat, so.
All you brought was meat.
So I brought Spam, some weenies, some bacon. I didn't even bring condiment. I don't know how to camp, thanks to my dad, you know, who got me into hiking, but I never really got the entire thing, you know. We're going in. I'm gonna open this. Yeah, it's 7 o'clock. It's not even dark yet, cause you know, North America. We're probably gonna call it a night. A little tired. A lot of things happened today, which was nice. Here's my test subject. How is it?
It's nice. It's soft. It's a little cramped.
But I mean, we're short people. It'll work. Look at that. This is nice. There's around 2.5 feet of room. We're really comfy. So before, our heads were like on the other side, but now, because this bed, oh, look at that.
5 stars.
5 stars? Is it better than what we had before?
Yes.
Yes. So what else can we improve next time?
I think just making it darker.
Making it darker. You can see my double chin from here, so I'm gonna cover it. I had something planned for it, but since it was like snow and raining and cold the entire week, and I was going to tint them, so watch out. Subscribe now if you'd like to see me tint the Crosstrek. I'm not gonna ask somebody else to do it. I'm gonna do it myself. Do I know how to tint? No. So That's a good content right there. Go down, hit the subscribe so we can keep doing this, you know? We actually like it. Hit the like while you're at it. This is good. Feels like I'm in a 3-star hotel bed.
Yep.
Yeah. See ya tomorrow.
The next morning.
Obviously, we just woke up. The entire night was cold. I thought she was dying because she was hyperventilating. The girl is okay. Anyway, we started the fire. Last time we did it 30 minutes. Guess what? Guess what time? Guess how long we actually did the fire this time? 3 minutes. We're proud. Fire's going. And it's raining. Should we just keep going? Do you want to be rained on? I don't really want to get rained on. Still want to cook my Spam. I know, I should have cooked the bacons first so we could have grease for the egg, but I wasn't thinking because it's 8 o'clock and I don't like thinking at 8 o'clock. Now the question is, can you roast the Spam?
Is it working?
I don't know. Can't you see it?
No.
No, it's not working. It's kind of working. I'm sorry, babe. Why are you crying?
I dropped my Spam.
There's only 2 Spams.
I can't eat it anymore.
I'm sorry.
You bring plates. What is wrong with you? Blame you for
I know.
my child.
I didn't bring plates. Nice. Alright guys, if you like our attempt on camping this May long weekend, it was definitely cold. It was comfortable than before. There's not a whole lot to do because it was raining. If you like this video, hit the like. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now. If you want these merch, if you like what you saw on her hoodie or this thing, go visit underdog.com/merch. Pop yourself one out, and I'll see you on the next episode. Take it easy, folks.